You are in for an absolutely belter of a video, if I say so myself. In this video, I'm going to share with you my results. I'm share with you how we set this up. Basically, the whole process, okay? So 7 days ago, we looked at starting a faceless digital marketing page over on TikTok. Now, hands down, we have looked at many methods for making money online. This is the easiest one. Literally, it's even easier than the TikTok affiliate program. And you'll see as we go through this video, and I'll show you everything that we did. We'll share with you the products, we'll share with you the numbers, and loads more. So I'll put links to everything I'm mentioning down below for you, so you can just click on there and go and check them out yourself, okay? So what is the method of making money? So it's faceless digital marketing. Essentially, that just means we have a product. We can be an affiliate for a product, or we can create our own product. And then basically, we're creating content around that to hopefully earn some money on the back end, okay? So what we did was we started off with a category or a niche. Once we've decided on our category or a niche, we then look at products around that, okay? Now for that, we utilize something called master resell rights. Let me show you what that means, okay? So if I come over here, not that one, this one over here, you can see I've just typed into Google master resell rights, and basically master resell right products. And basically, a product with master resell rights means you can buy that product, you can make simple edits to that product, and then start selling it yourself and make money. It's an awesome little method. But if you have no money to get started with, you can utilize a piece of software called Canva. Canva is free. You can create a PDF, or an ebook inside of there. So let me show you some examples of master resell right products, okay? So for example, just type that into Google, and you'll find lots and lots of different websites where they offer master resell rights. Here's an example, okay? So this website over here, this master resell right products, scroll down over on these websites, you can find images, you can find, I was going to say ebooks again, ebooks, PDFs, and loads more. This is just one example, okay? So if I come back over here, and we'll scroll down so you can find another one. Look, the top 3 master resell right products. If I click on there, it'll take me over to this website over here. And again, I'll be able to find different products with master resell rights. So you can buy that product, edit it, and make it your own. So let me show you an example of that now. So if I come over here into, let's go into Canva. I'll show you an example of one. Let's go in here and I'll show you this, and then I'll show you the products that I was selling, and then we'll go through the process of how we did this, okay? So if I scroll down here, you will see, you can see there's some examples of videos. We'll come back to that in a second. Let's just come down here. So for example, this one over here, Faceless TikTok Guide, you can see that is 80 pages long. That there is, I'll show you. So I bought that product. I think it was about $15, so about 10 or 11 pounds. And basically, you go through and you make edits to that, all inside of Canva. But as I've mentioned, if you don't have any money, you can literally just create your own I keep saying P-book. You can create your own PDF or ebook inside of here. Straightforward and simple, it really is. But this is the one we bought, and you can see this is how it comes. And it's 80 pages. It's brilliant. It's absolutely awesome. So you can go through this and change, edit any part of it. So for example, you see here, this image. If I don't like the image, over here on the left-hand side in Canva, we just click on Elements, and you can type in anything. So let's just type in work from home, like so. And it'll bring up, look, this, photos, graphics, etc. Click on Photos. Scroll down. I can use any one of these images that I like. So if I wanted to get rid of that one, for example, and let's just say I wanted to change it for that, I just drag it in. That's it. If I want to change the text up here, I can literally type whatever I like in here. I can change the font size up here. I can change the actual font like this. You see, Canva is awesome. It's just straightforward and simple. So this is the product that we've got, okay? So once you've gone through and you've made your edits to this and you're happy with it, you'd simply come over here, click on Share, and then you click on Download, and then you change it from PNG, you change it to PDF standard or print. And that basically means someone can download that, and then you've got it, basically. You've got the product, okay? So we decided on a category and a niche. We then found products related to that. So this one was around faceless digital marketing. So we bought this over here. We made edits to that. So now we've got that, okay? So if we are now looking at selling that product, we need somewhere to sell it. So I did a little bit of research online, and I was looking for beginner friendly, straightforward and simple, and I found this website over here, which is called Ststar. Okay, so that there is how my shop looks over on a laptop on a laptop, but obviously it looks different on a phone. Okay, so on a phone it's sort of vertical, whereas on a laptop it looks like this. Let me show you the back end of this. So if I come over here, this is inside of my analytics inside of here. So you can see this is how it looks, and it is so straightforward and simple. Okay, so if I come up here to my store, I'll show you this. You can see there you go. That over here on the left, on the right hand side is how it looks on a phone. These are the products down here. And then basically, if you want to add a new product, so you just simply click on add a product. What is it you're selling? We're selling this, which is a PDF. And then basically, you just fill out these three options here. Okay, so select an image, give it a title. Then you go to the next page, the checkout page, where on here you can determine the price. So if you scroll down here, you can see you can change the price on here. You can also change everything. This is basically the sales page where someone finds out more information about it. And that is it. That is literally it, okay? And then once you've got that, you then get your link up here, and then that is good to go. So that there is mine. All done, set up, and good to go. So with this, we've gone down this category of faceless digital marketing. And the great thing about this as well is selling these over here. So we're selling this for 20 quid, 20 quid. If somebody buys this product, say they're interested in faceless TikTok marketing, they can buy it, they can go through it, learn about it, figure out how it all works, start doing it, and then guess what? Because I'm selling this product with master resell rights, they can then edit it, and then they can resell it themselves, and also put it onto Ststar or their own website or wherever, basically. So that is the products. Okay, let me show you the analytics, and I'll show you this again so you can see everything we're saying is true. So if I click on the last 7 days, oh, it's on leads. Let me click on store visits. So you can see here, these are the days. So that is when we started the case study. And then store visits is somebody who has landed over on the store here. Whether that is via a laptop or via a mobile, it's someone landing over here. And then where are those people going? So let's scroll down here. You can see where are they going. So they're mainly going to faceless digital marketing. That's great because that is the audience we were targeting. We've got other products on here. And then where are our customers coming from? TikTok, basically. And then you can see your views and your conversions are down here. So this was the whole process, okay? Decide on a category or a niche, find a product, make it unique to us, set up Ststar, and then, the great thing as well with that Ststar as well is, I'll put a link to it down below, that is my affiliate link, but if you do click on that link, you will get a 7-day free trial. So essentially, it's free to set up for a week. And then once we've got that, then we move on to the content creation, creating content to drive people to our store over here. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this. So the first way I started out with was this over here. And it was on NVIDIA AI. Really straightforward and simple, this. It is paid. Okay, so I've come down here, click on this, and basically how it works with this NVIDIA AI is you type in what you want, click on generate, and then it will create you a video. Okay, absolutely awesome, works really straightforward and simple, and it works quick. So there's that option, but I like using Canva, I really do. So inside of Canva, come over here, let me come out of here, you can create videos inside of Canva. And literally, it's all faceless. So if I scroll down here, you will see, look, let's go to this one over here, for example. This is a video. So I'll click on it, I'll show you this and how it looks. So if I click on play now, watch. Click on play, you can see the videos down here along the bottom. Okay? So if I wanted to add in any video element into this, again, over on the left-hand side, we've got to elements. And then basically you can type in anything that you wanted. So if I wanted to go for, let's just say, I don't know, the beach. Beach. Click on beach. I then filter that to videos. And then I've got these videos on here. So if I wanted to go in here, I'll just do this. And that goes in there. Now that's 17 seconds. If you wanted to make that video shorter, again, straightforward and simple, click it, drag it to how short you want or how long you want. and that's it done. Literally straightforward and simple. If you want to add any text in, again, over on the left hand side, you go to text, and then you just simply drag it in over here, type in whatever you like, change the font size, the actual color of it, loads more. You can make it bold, etc., underline it, whatever. But as you can see, it is straightforward and simple. Okay, so that is it. That is literally the process of what we did. We started creating faceless videos targeting people who are interested in faceless digital marketing. We then uploaded those videos onto TikTok, and then we had people, basically we was driving people from TikTok over to our store. Someone clicked on it and purchased the product, and we're making money. And we earned, it was day 7 when we earned our first money. I was going to say commission. It was day 7, and somebody bought this product over here. Now you'll notice as well, I'm sure some of you might pick this up, the eagle eye ones. If I scroll up here and I go to revenue, you'll see it says £8. Now why does it say £8 and these are £20? Because I ballsed up basically. So this is UK pricing, but when I had this set up, I had it set up to US dollars, and I'd missed the one on here. I had it at $9.99. So yeah, it's great that we earned some money, but I missed out because I essentially messed it up. But yeah, that is it. So the plan with this moving forward now is I'm literally going to just scale it. So what I'll do now is I will transfer the videos from TikTok onto Instagram and also onto YouTube, and I'll also set it up so every time I post on TikTok, it goes out across all social media platforms, and then we'll just have a presence on all of those platforms, driving people over to our store and hopefully be earning more money. So yeah, look, that's today's video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll put links to everything down below for you. I'll put a link to my page, my storefront. So if you want to go over here and have a look at it and check it out yourself, you absolutely can do. If you want to buy any of these products, you get full master resale rights with us, so you can download them, edit them, and change them yourself. I'll put a link to Ststar so you can have a look at that. And that's pretty much it, yeah. So if you do have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon.